Here's some socioeconomic upheaval trivia. Subscribe. Which economic system is characterized by private ownership? Is it A, capitalism, B, barter system, C, mercantilism, or D, gift economy? The correct answer is A, capitalism. What major event caused the Great Depression? Is it A, Dust Bowl, B, New Deal, C, World War I, or D, stock market crash? The correct answer is D, stock market crash. Which theory advocates for wealth redistribution? Is it A, social Darwinism, B, capitalism, C, Marxism, or D, libertarianism? The correct answer is C, Marxism. Which economic term refers to a prolonged rise in prices? Is it A, deflation, B, inflation, C, recession, or D, stagnation? The correct answer is B, inflation. What term describes a significant decline in economic activity? Is it A, recession, B, boom, C, stagflation, or D, inflation? The correct answer is A, recession. What natural disaster spurred massive urban migration in the U.S.? Is it A, Hurricane Katrina, B, California wildfires, C, 1989 earthquake, or D, Winter Storm 2021? The correct answer is A, Hurricane Katrina. Which movement aimed at civil rights and economic equality? Is it A, abolition movement, B, civil rights movement, C, Green Revolution, or D, women's suffrage? The correct answer is B, civil rights movement. Which country is known for its agricultural reforms in the 20th century? Is it A, Canada, B, China, C, United States, or D, Russia? The correct answer is B, China. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.